The Vacmaster CC0101 Bagless Canister vacuum embodies versatility, efficiency, and convenience in one compact package. Engineered to tackle dust and pet hair with ease, this vacuum boasts a washable Hepa filter and powerful 18 kV suction, ensuring thorough cleaning and improved air quality. Its lightweight design, weighing just 10.58 pounds, facilitates effortless maneuverability around the home. With features like automatic cord rewind and a user-friendly control interface, this vacuum offers a seamless cleaning experience. Let's delve deeper into its capabilities and specifications to uncover why it stands out in the world of household cleaning appliances. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Multi-operation and Hepa filter. This vacuum is engineered with versatility in mind, catering to various cleaning needs. Its primary focus is on efficiently tackling dust and pet hair. Featuring a washable Hepa filter, it not only ensures a thorough cleaning, but also reduces the frequency of filter replacements. This advanced filtration system captures even the minutest particles of dust, promoting cleaner air quality within your home. Number 2 to 1058 pounds lightweight and portable. Weighing a mere 10.58 pounds, this vacuum is remarkably lightweight and portable. This thoughtful design element makes it effortless to maneuver around your home, facilitating easy cleaning of both high and low areas. The inclusion of a stretch hose and specialty tools enhances its reach, enabling access to hard-to-reach spots. Additionally, the easy empty dust cup simplifies disposal, resulting in quicker and more convenient trash trips. The automatic cord rewind feature further enhances convenience, ensuring hassle-free storage after use. Number 3. 18 kV power suction and multi-occasion. Equipped with a robust 18 kV power suction, this vacuum cleaner delivers consistent and efficient cleaning performance. The suction control feature allows for precise adjustment, making it suitable for a variety of tasks. Whether it's dusting, cleaning between sofa cushions, or tackling baseboards, this vacuum cleaner excels in every scenario. It particularly shines on bare floors, wood floors, and tiles, ensuring thorough cleaning without causing any damage. Number 4. 360 degrees hose swivel and non-damage to hard floor. Designed for optimal maneuverability, this vacuum cleaner features a 360 degrees hose swivel that eliminates twisting and tangling. This innovative design ensures smooth and uninterrupted cleaning sessions, enhancing overall efficiency. Moreover, the inclusion of smooth wheels guarantees that your hardwood floors remain unscathed, preventing scratches or gouges commonly associated with lesser quality vacuum cleaners. Number 5. Specification. This vacuum cleaner boasts a comprehensive set of specifications that highlight its exceptional performance and user-friendly design. With a capacity of 2.5 liters, it offers ample space for prolonged cleaning sessions without the hassle of frequent emptying. Operating at 600 watts, it strikes a perfect balance between power and energy efficiency. Its compact canister form factor ensures easy storage and handling. Additionally, it comes in an elegant white color scheme, adding a touch of sophistication to your cleaning routine. Number 6. Additional features and warranty. Beyond its core functionalities, this vacuum cleaner incorporates several noteworthy features for added convenience and functionality. These include push-button controls, touch operation, sealed filtration, swivel steering, heated hose, and above-floor cleaning capabilities. Furthermore, it comes with a 1-year warranty, assuring its quality and durability. Assembling this vacuum cleaner is straightforward, requiring minimal effort and time investment. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 12 inches length by 12 inches width by 17 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Conclusion. The Vacmaster CC0101 Bagless Canister vacuum stands as a reliable and efficient cleaning solution for any household. Its combination of powerful suction, versatile operation, and user-friendly features make it a standout choice for tackling various cleaning tasks. From its lightweight and portable design to its advanced filtration system and convenient cord management, every aspect of this vacuum is thoughtfully crafted to enhance the cleaning experience. With its solid build quality and a 1-year warranty, this vacuum offers both performance and peace of mind. Upgrade your cleaning routine with this vacuum and experience the difference firsthand. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.